Hey guys, quick video. This is an iPhone 4S. As you can see, it has a passcode on it and I don't remember the passcode, so I'm locked out. I want to completely restore the phone. This will erase everything off the phone and it's a little tricky and a little finicky, so I'm going to show you exactly how I do it. Again, this is an iPhone 4S, so you need a 30-pin cable. I use this 30-pin to USB-C cable, which works super well for these old iPhones and for iPods. And I'm on a 2020 MacBook Pro. This is how you do it. Hold the power button and turn it off. It takes a while on these old phones. You gotta make sure it's completely off. It might give me a little wheel. There you go, yeah. So make sure it's totally off. All right, so on the computer, open up Finder and make sure your computer is awake. So I've got my USB-C plugged in, okay? And I've got the phone here. And so what you need to do is you need to first hold down the home button. Keep holding it and then plug in the 30-pin. And there you're gonna get the iTunes logo, okay? So that's what you want there. And you have to do this in this exact order or it won't work. Now this is what you get in Finder. iPhone, and you get the serial. It won't say the old name linked to the iPhone. Like it won't say John's iPhone. It just says iPhone. You get this window, there's a problem, blah, blah, blah. So then you can update it or restore it from here. I'm gonna go restore. And it'll ask you one more time. Remember, this is going to delete everything. Okay, this is a factory restore. Make sure you understand that. Everything's going to get wiped. Okay, next, you agree. So it's going to update the iOS and everything while it restores. I'll come back when it's done. All right, and then you get the zebra bar here, okay? And then I've got the Apple logo on the phone now. And now I have a bar. I'll put the link down below for this cable. These are really handy in case you come across old phones or iPods. They're real cheap. They're like less than 10 bucks. Has no problem with the phone. I use it all the time for iPods. So, all right, this is doing its thing. I'll come back when it changes. All right, then you get this restoring iPhone software. Another bar, and you got another bar on the phone. I just got another pop-up. It said your iPhone has been restored to its factory settings. Leave it plugged in. It will show up in the sidebar when it's finished. So that's what you want. And then this is doing its thing now. Just finished and it just buzzed twice. So it's turning on. It's already showing up here, iPhone. And it's showing up. Hello. All right, well that's how you do it. Restoring an iPhone 4S or similar in 2026. Follow along, do the exact steps, and you'll be good to go. So thanks for watching. Check out my other videos, subscribe if you feel like it. Have a good day.